Today we are going to improve the stands tutorials by changing the direction of our sprites. Click on Events. Use when space key pressed. Change space key to right arrow key. Choose duplicate after right clicking. Change right arrow key to left arrow key. Let's edit costumes. Let's duplicate each costume and flip the copy horizontally.
I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
Go to the Looks section. Drag next costume into our first code. Change stands by -2. Stands set to the current number of costumes. Changing code to perform backward motion first. Experimenting changing stands to 17. Where it faces changes. Let's make a variable to represent 17 and 18. Let's call it slide. Let's implement the slide variable. Fix set my variable to block in the code. Change my variable to slide. Change the value 0 to either 18. Repeat procedure for other block but use 17 instead. Fix slide in the first code as seen. Run the code and apply the arrow keys. Oops, I switched arrow keys. Now works like I want it to. Done.